Ready? All right, 91.9 Friends FM Frequency Friends की तरफ से I'm Smriti, we are live. सुन रहे हमें देख रहे across all the social media platform. I really wanted to sing for you when you were coming inside. परी है तू. Seriously, परी है तू in all the rights possible. You said I'm irreplaceable. I really love that. That's the queen vibe all of us need. We must have, but a lot of women they lack. वो नहीं आता है, वो कॉन्फिडेंस ही नहीं आती उनके अंदर. What would you like to say to them?
और मैं सिर्फ ये कहना चाहूँगी कि मेरे में भी कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं था जब मैंने शुरू किया था, लेकिन यू हैव टू फाइंड दैट विद इन योर सेल्फ, क्योंकि ना हमें बचपन से हमने यही देखा है कि यू आर नॉट वर्थ इट, है ना, बट यू ऑल आर वर्थ इट. तो कहीं ना कहीं हमें ये सोच लानी पड़ेगी दैट आई एम इररिप्लेसेबल. And that's the only way you can do it, and that's why I don't leave a single platform, I don't leave a single time where I'm like, listen, I'm irreplaceable. लोगों को जो सोचना सोचेंगे, उनको लगेगा अरे पागल है, she's too full of herself. I don't care. There will be some little girl that's going to hear me and she's going to be, so am I. You know, I've seen my role models do that.
Yeah.
And I want to do the same for young girls.
That's fantastic. And I think you gave that vibe in the very first film, Dam Laga Ke Haisha, जिसके साथ मैं रिलेट कर पाती, बट अब आपके इनर सेल्फ से रिलेट कर पाती. लाइक बॉडी वाइज एंड जस्ट फैक्ट है. सो लॉट ऑफ वुमेन, आई थिंक एवरीवन, आई डोंट, मर्दों को फर्क तो पड़ता नहीं, तुम्हारा खून निकला हुआ है, तुम्हें क्या फर्क पड़ता है, बट फॉर वुमेन दे विल थिंक कि भाई पेट निकल रहा है, निकल रहा है. दे कॉन्शियस. वी नीड टू गेट आउट ऑफ दैट सेल्फ. नो, हाउ डू वी डू दैट?
Look, I don't have the perfect answer for it, because even I'm going to be very real. Even I have days when I get so affected by so many things. But I think it's easier said than done that you have to love yourself. It's practice. Loving yourself is practice. You have to wake up every day and slowly and steadily find that acceptance for yourself. I've truly gone through that. It's taken me many years and I've reached here. One of the biggest things that I actually did towards that self-love was makeup. I realized makeup is my way, my tool to loving myself, and I enjoy doing it so much. So maybe find something that makes you, that empowers you, that liberates you. It can be anything, right? It could be what you wear, it could be glamming up every day, it could be just singing, taking up a hobby. So that's where I think positive manifestation and self-love begins with. Doing
Right.
something for yourself. One activity a day that is only for you.
Absolutely. So I just looking at you and I'm thinking, how pretty is she, guys? How pretty is she? वैशाली, मैं बिहार से हूँ, मैं बिहार
अरे।
की, ठीक है, शिवांजला है ना. तो we need भक्षक too, क्योंकि बिहार का जो आपने एक मुद्दा उठाया ना, this is, yes, well done, thumbs up to you, thank you.
Thank you.
I think there are a lot of muddas like that.
जी.
भक्षक too चाहिए. What
मैं-
subject would you like to pick up maybe?
I don't know. I really hope there's a Bhakshak too, because मुझे लगता है ये किरदार इतने खूबसूरत लिखे थे मेरे डायरेक्टर ने. एंड ये ऐसे किरदार है जिनके ऊपर 2, 3, 4 कहानियाँ बनती रह सकती, बिकॉज दे आर चेसिंग जस्टिस, दे आर चेसिंग इंटेग्रिटी, रिस्पेक्ट एंड फेयरनेस, अ वर्ल्ड दैट इज फेयर. एंड आई फील हमारे समाज में ऐसी बहुत चीज़ें हैं जहाँ पे आपको लगता है कि नहीं, ये जो हुआ ठीक नहीं हुआ, यू नो. तो वो एग्जैक्ट मुद्दा क्या होगा वो मैं पुलके जो मेरे डायरेक्टर उन्हें डिसाइड करने दूंगी, बट आई हैव अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग दैट सून वी विल डू अ सीक्वल.
Right, climate change warrior, a message for everyone on 91.9 Friends FM. It's December time, Christmas time.
I just want to say that it's the time of festivities. Everyone's going to be Decembering. But remember that our planet is our only home. This is our real home. There's no planet B. We truly are reaching a tipping point. And in, you know, माहौल इतना, सब इतने खुश हैं, मजा कर रहे हैं, लेकिन थोड़ा अब्यूज हमारे प्लानट पे कम करे. I don't want to dampen anybody's spirits, but all I want to say that a happy planet is going to be a happy you, है ना. So take small little things. प्लास्टिक की कन्फेटी मत बर्स्ट करो, बलून्स और फायरवर्क्स और पता नहीं क्या क्या. Find like more sustainable, healthier things that you can do for the planet that and still enjoy.
So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Bhumi's planet. She nailed it. Thank you so much for your time,
Thank you.
Bhumi.
Thank you.
Lots of love to you from
Thank
Team 91.9 Friends FM.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Can I click a picture?
Yes.